Hello everyone, welcome to Explore for More. Here's yet another interesting idea of using empty acrylic bottles as spice jars with a wooden stand. You can also keep it on your dining table with some mouth fresheners. For this you need two set of wooden pieces of the length as mentioned. To cut these wooden pieces of the desired length, please check my video on how to cut wooden sticks to make home decor items. I will mention the link in the description box. You also need three empty acrylic bottles, some jute rope, a pair of googly eyes, knitting needle or metal skewer which is 10 inches long, Fevicol SH, and a wood polish. We will join together the three pieces of set 1 and 2 with the help of Fevicol in this way. Size of the pieces are such that one fits inside the other. Now using Fevicol, we will glue together the two pieces like this. I've used a cloth pin to secure it tightly. Knitting needle is to be passed through the holes. Now once it has dried, we will apply a coat of varnish on all the sides to give it a good gloss and again keep it for drying. All the three acrylic bottles are to be prepared like this so that we are able to hang it on the knitting needles. For this I have taken some jute rope and have cut pieces 6 centimeter long. I'll start gluing the jute rope on the cap starting from the center. Keep on moving the rope in a circular manner so as to cover the top part of the cap. Once you reach the edge, make loop with the small pieces and attach it on two opposite sides. Continue to cover the cap with the rope on the sides as well. Our three bottles are ready. On one of the bottles, stick the googly eyes. I filled the bottles with black pepper, cardamom, and cloves, and now it's time to assemble all the parts together. Hang the bottles on the needle, keeping the one with the googly eyes in the center. And see, our cute little spice rack is ready. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell icon for notifications. You can also connect with us on Facebook and Instagram on our page Explore for More. See you in the next video. Bye bye.